today I am doing the seafood oil. And I have my crab legs. It ain't that many, but I don't care.
Why bad?
And butter. Yeah. We just cooked these so they are fresh. So let's start with the first one. Hey, can I come in? Can I come in? That junk hot. But it's good.
You gotta let them know that you're not throwing it on the floor. You're throwing it in the bag.
I am. Right, here go our bag right here. Okay, I'm going to come in.
You gotta go this way.
And so. Let's come in like that. Hey, y'all. Crap. Hey, y'all.
And then you gotta make sure.
Jamari, 315.
Mar, you gotta make sure you get the sauce. I mean the little seasoning.
So y'all see. We added seasoning to her. That's my mom. So listen to her, y'all. So ours gonna be 5. So we added what's that joke called? Seasoned salt and black pepper. And butter and garlic. We added that to our butter. Yeah, the garlic was nasty. But we had a different garlic. Yeah. I'll be back, y'all. To do this.
She at the table, Keita. Here.
So, we're doing a, like I said, I had to tell my mom he was doing a seafood boil.
And look how this came off.
And let me go ahead and let me show
Dump
you.
it right there.
Y'all, we should have got the, I saw it at the stove, but I wasn't thinking because I thought we already had one of those crusher things.
A peanut.
Good. I need some scissors. Yeah, me too. You know what some scissors at?
Not for these, correct?
It's good. Hopefully y'all like and subscribe. And are we ending the video right now? No. I was telling you.
Just like, comment, and subscribe.
Yep, I want to make me some money.
And then next month, we're going to do a whole seafood boil.
Or probably
Crab,
tomorrow.
shrimp.
Ew, I hate shrimp.
Crab, shrimp, corn on the cob,
that's gonna be next
potatoes,
month,
and
though.
sausage.
That's going to be next month. But tomorrow we're probably doing another seafood one.
And I will show y'all how I cook it. What the hell they did.
She would not show y'all how she cook. She's going to be too lazy. Yeah,
No, they can't give no recipe.
I'll see you. And that's one thing. Y'all cannot get our recipe. But one day I'm going to give y'all the recipe.
Nah.
But I got to be making money.
They can't get my recipe.
Oh. Why? I'm getting mad.
I'm good.
I'm going to look through the drawer real quick.
It ain't order.
Say crab. And I have these little. I have this one. Okay. Oh, there, y'all. That was a whole big piece. So, y'all, we was going to do the king crab, but we didn't do it. Yeah. Because my mom, here, y'all. She's about mean. I mean, like, she's mean. She too lazy.
But I could.
Yeah, you could this. Just this.
I'm over y'all. Y'all can't be doing me like that on camera.
Come on, cook that on.
Man.
Go and cook the other one. My daddy buying us a plate tomorrow.
He said me. I'm ready to get one little egg.
Just take one of the thing and put it in her damn plate. Take one plus the half and put it in her. Fine, because I poured it.
Let me have one of those.
And as y'all can see, I was gonna put them in the bag, but I put some in the bag and put all in there. And I'm making sure I get on top of you.
I season these here.
And then we put them in that butter sauce.
Yeah, you need to add the butter sauce. Yeah.
Well, that's what I get with man.
This is good, y'all. Let me what?
I didn't get the bill.
Come on. Man, how was it? Mama, you know
Y'all, I
took this.
Take that plate off that. It's still hot. Huh? No, I said, oh, look. That's why I said, look, open it up. You get you one out and just put it in there.
Okay. So I finally got this open so I could get out my meat.
I'm gonna go get some.
Well, they better not get one. One with that. One with that. Or not. If I got two, you guys got two. Yeah, I got what, 1.5?
Maybe share this.
So
So I get the big one. My sister's asleep. That's why we got more crab.
Because he sleep.
But tomorrow,
I'm out the freezer.
tomorrow, we gonna buy some more.
You eat this?
Yes. But tomorrow, you know it. But tomorrow, we gonna probably get lesson. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Unless we get a ride to the store, then we'll,
Yeah. But my daddy said he would buy me a plate, so I don't even care. I love this. You know I love food. Look at this. This is a 7-minute video going on the 8th. Man. Y'all, this is gonna break my tooth. Don't you got a loose tooth? Well, I need to break it. You will get some money. For Tooth Fairy. That which isn't real. Oh.
At all.
Well, it's not, but
But your mama will real.
yeah. I just want to let y'all know that if your mama real, the Tooth Fairy real. No, it's not. That's true. If your mama real, the Tooth Fairy real. If your daddy real, the Tooth Fairy still real. Whoever you live with, they the Tooth Fairy came out perfect, y'all.
Quick!
I haven't even got one long one like this. Crap. Oh, it's gonna give me trouble.
Yeah, because I just broke the floor.
And no, I'm not eating off the floor. We have a towel under us. Like under the floor.
You need to lean up with the downfall.
That's what I'm
And then you getting all that butt on your shirt. That shit
Ooh,
gonna be hard to
yeah.
get out of.
We'll go down to this. So y'all, oh my god, it's good. We're going to make sure we get, hopefully this time I got something in it. Cause all the meat, usually we ain't had nothing. I ain't had nothing.
Look at your shirt. You dropping the butter sauce.
We're just some messy kids when it comes down to seafood. No, my mom is a big kid. And
Crap, doggone.
yeah.
Oh, I know. Little five.
How many kids you?
Not the oh yeah.
Gone. I'm pretty sure, yeah.
I love this, y'all. Like, so y'all, my auntie's crazy. I wish I knew how to edit. Oopsie. this is a 10-minute video. I know. I'm already done with mine. Oh yeah, and happy Valentine's Day, which is almost over.
It is over.
But happy Valentine's Day. Yeah. And this will be posted probably tonight or tomorrow. I don't know. It depends on. Oh my god. Ooh. You forgot this meat, Mommy. I'm finna get all this meat out of this bowl because I got lots of meat in my. Okay, I love this, y'all. Look, y'all. My grandma's been probably going to say they eating crab.
You can punch you on the feet. That's why you don't like what's going on.
Oh, look at these. Y'all, how's it all going? Well, I only got this. So I guess my team won. Ow! My team lost. I just scraped myself. This is why I need lost scissors. I love this. If y'all live with us, y'all might lost or something. Cause this is good.
That ain't her. That's the thing from the crab.
These are the
No crab.
snow crab. Snow crab good. That's why I'm messing it up. You funny. No, I actually like crab the most. She said that's why I'm messing it up. Oh yeah. And the only reason I'm up to this time because we don't have school tomorrow. Yeah. Let me see this fork. I should have been here. I love this. I wish it was some more. See, they made it so easy. I like chewing on crab skin. I hear that crack. And one day I want to end up like be lovely. You meant life? Well, I call it leaves, but yeah, whatever you want to say. So I'm gonna just pour me some butter on this because I can't get no more butter. It ain't that much butter.
Why you eat this one?
I have it. This is our secret sauce
Like this
for our crab. I'm gonna give y'all the recipe one day. But I'm gonna give y'all one here. All you gotta do is get a pot, add a little bit of water, and put the crabs in.
We're not gonna tell you the seasoning.
And the seasoning is what we told y'all what we put on our butter. And that's what we put in there. What we put on our butter. Oh.
Yeah.
So we told y'all what we put in our butter. Not the black pepper, but the first one. I think it was the butter. So now we just told y'all the recipe. But man, I still got meat up in here. This is good. Fried crab. I can't think of a recipe. That's my favorite part. Y'all don't judge how I eat. This look like rice. I like the butter sauce though. Oh yeah, I added a lot. We probably going to the beach. The fake beach. Yeah, the fake beach. Or Murder Beach. It's the summer. Because please be summer. Because it's gonna be hot. But Now that I said we're going to
We're going to play in
the
the
Mario
sand.
Brook. Oh yeah. We had went to the fake beach one time.
Yeah. That joke was fun.
Yeah. But it was a lot of kids there. When I tell you it was a lot of kids, but never go to the fake beach. They about, if you have to use it, tell your mom to take you somewhere else. They about doing with nails.
How was it looking?
I didn't even pee or do my business.
No. I fart off a crack.
Hey.
What did you say? Tell me after the video. Well, boys and girls, we're gonna start wrapping up. Bye.